Kawaii Cooking へようこそ。
Hello everyone! Welcome back to Kawaii Cooking. Today I'll show you how to prepare Ichigo Daifuku from scratch. Daifuku is one of the traditional Japanese sweets. It's dumpling with anko inside. The dough is very similar to mochi, which is rice cake. This time I'm going to add strawberry to it. These are ingredients for 6 pieces. First of all, I'm going to prepare fillings. I've already washed and dried the strawberries. If they are wet when I will wrap them in anko, they won't turn out well. So please make sure to get rid of excess water with paper towels. Then I'm going to cut stumps. By the way, instead of strawberry, you can put grapes, kiwi fruits, small mandarins, but I think with strawberry is the best. Now I'm going to divide anko in 6. Then I make 6 anko balls. I wet my fingers with water. I'm going to flatten each portion into a small disc shape. For preparing anko, please watch my video recipe number 42. I wrap each strawberry with a disc of anko. I use plastic wrap. Place a disc on the wrap. Then place a strawberry in middle of the disc and wrap it by anko. And repeat for the rest. Now I'm going to make the mochi layer. Pour the rice flour and the sugar in a bowl. Then mix them well with a spatula. I add the water and mix them well again. Once it turns smooth, cover with a plastic wrap and cook it in the microwave for 2 minutes on 600 watts. It's been 2 minutes, and the mochi is now sticky. I mix well with a spatula until the color becomes opaque. Pour the potato starch onto a squared container. I transfer the mochi into the container. Spread it out and sprinkle some potato starch on top. Then I divide it in 6. Now I'm going to assemble the daifuku. I take a piece of flat mochi in my palm and place an anko strawberry ball top down in the middle. Then wrap it. Pinch the corners together and try to make round shape. I think you'll be fascinated by their lovely look and chewy texture. I hope you enjoy watching my video recipe. If you like it, press the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.